Yes, abonsemu nyina kofa bai.
Me na me ka kire. Hwe Ghana, bra yen koso nyina, bra e bra nyina fi ya sofo.
Oh, sofo.
Me na me ka kire, me ka sama kire. Hwe Kwaku bofo aka the same thing and I'm repeating it.
Yeah, Reverend Obofo.
Me na me ka kire oni me ntia ya bra Ghana.
What he say?
Yen hu so bi koso ya bringing it down. We one man church. We nya asori we mfiri nyame.
Sofo
na kotena ho. No akase we mfiri nyame. No atu collect owi a no akọ $10 no the headquarters no abrochi no de ko. What did you na sorry ni yo?
Okay. Because
baby asori headquarters no abrochi go hu da.
Yes. On see order.
What your upon let me tell you. Upon say Niger. Yeah, penny ways and used to pull him down. Let's count out and see the kind of people he has employed to work for the TV station.
Okay. The kind of people so go how you confront so be employ for mama ya adwuma ma no. Ah obedwin say ade a wo ye no no kwa so. Enti ye no I don't think say no ye yastic.
Na ababo. Mama nka sam kiro.
With you.
Konto me ha ba de kaja say bote.
Boto.
Ade bia nya papa ni nyina. Ade bia papa ne bi.
Okay.
What you say?
At
the age of Niger
37 now, yeah.
Obi so ya nyame adwuma e na oti nkuto fa ni tirim.
Almost 45 years.
Activator cream no dey fa ni tirim. Jimi enti oni ahoto no wasu nyansa.
Asa sama okay, asa wuni nkofo bi o mo hye Niger form bonase.
Me say me ka kire o say o ma me kwa me bobodin. Office na ajenkwa na di ma e wo Ghana.
Ale Niger di ma.
Office na ajenkwa na di ma.
Ale Niger di ma.
Atofo chimifo bi adwamanfo pa.
Odifo Niger di ma.
Say bi na better but so di ma. Wonni ma dia ya go to the person and ask.
Okay.
What do you say? Kono na ko bisa. Me nua sema ba how do you feel it? Ya mompa ma. Aya hwiase na ba. Ya mompa ma. But Ghana ne ba ni de.
Say wahia.
Won say Ghana for ye ntimi mfa social media na ba ne ye mfa and respect ye mpanin for ye mfa build your country. Ye mfa nya bibi papa na edidi atem ni paseye. Eno ho a. Eno ho a.
There be enye say enye no kwa ne ade betimi aboa.
Say ye misa nipa 20. Emi some say if they have brother like Nigel Gezi
Kopa na omompe. Me for instance, Nigel Gezi or a nice person.
Who dey tell me kasa mi wie.
Okay.
Nigel ye kwapim ni me ye kwapim ni me nkasa o ye kwapim ni ntina me be kasa sa.
But to the be no so count.
No.
Ebe ma emotional attached ade.
Da bi o me kasa sa o ye nipa. Utwa no ho ase kan beba.
But say
abo kraman fa kraman wo dwam a uti so bi complaining.
There be.
Ye born abo na ya pam no.
Aye.
Uti em. So bi ko rape obi a Ghana omun taking it serious. A police station back then they trash it off.
You can't fear them.
You can't fear, ni atongo share create seminar near the skaka krato so then the panico. You know the kind of trauma the person has went through.
Yes, I don't dey enwene ho.
Sanaji adwamanfo a Bible say ni obo adwaman no. Ono no say ni nipadua.
Yes.
Inti gane adwamanbo.
89
Inti obo adwaman a ni nipadua no say no. Enye nipa bia de o. It's up to no. Who are you to judge? Obebe niami ko obeka so eni esofo nso sa no you open ma
me ko kasara me guza say wo so open ma ni bia na because so bo adwaman ya say woni pedi
me bo adwaman pe ma ka oba beto se ma so dan su ama ye na glass am ye pop osoro
na de omo musi asori ya nko ana entwempra
obi aya so
minima sofo
a forget obi aya so de ni nyina ahwe ma ya sesa ma owie na ate de so hu ba bi onfa
Odifo asema ke dey ase
omo ne nam se mpete
because Kai will say I attention TV na me dey Odifo Erica Kwesi atwi e dey twi komo na na se me wa pono so yankasa yendifo yensofo panyin Nigel Gezi ne nsema aba Umovia nsema aba abonten a nkrofo se Umovia sofo ne Slay Queen fo ni bi edampemo ma ro mo ho don't know we say ono aba abonten ama kran so aba abonten say ye ne wofa nimpo ne maame enua bema na oni no ekoye sa video no minim de ntia be masa na ma we nyina ba bonte ma ekrofo be happy say sofo no bo adwaman ni a kire no ne ne Odifo Akwesi antwi etwetwe nkomo na ebusa say sansem say no oye sofo no say na wosi ehunu fa na onso so de ni take ba yeguso a ye ne Odifo Akwesi antwi etwetwe nkomo Odifo
omofia no ho mama be check later
okay
me ba be chichim later what was Ghana for you make research in de
okay
asem wura ha na te se ne ye kokurum akotambo ne samu nasa ne ni man sa de nasa
yem ko
ye hwe bi sana Ghana 40 ya sana Ghana
there's a problem
me say se naji ye obi kuna na we baya se na Ghana for be fa no
naji wo ye obi kunu
wo de tie mi se ne yire wo Ghana ha
wo abuchire
thank you what if I say aba we share video no we ache we ni we
social media de ko ba bia
o
Afghanistan crowd
minim sa but min kan tell Niger say ebia ne obeka na ye no kra na ye no but me kan say didi omo fani out ana
say ye no kra say nye no
enye no kra before they start publishing it
there be o
because of Ghana for
ye panipa
efom bo
entem
ye hwehwe ni pass bi mo enti bisa say omo for say mimi nuane Nigeria and a TV station ya wana obi nim inshusu ba ye TV station for farm because obi nim yeminua
yeah
because one station bi na me so obi nim yeminua people see me as a courtesan person
so you court
dey na makoka say obi nim yeminua wo ana obi afro da be na yeminua enti obi nim nua no de ne sound so your court
sir
the side talk cheap word from Ghanaians some of the Ghanaians mouth say makoka say obi nim yeminua
nti obi nim oni nuafo
obi nim ye so instant say oyeburu sama me bi ni asase so obi ntimi nka se minua no obi nim me can say in Christ no obi nim ye minua
sure
what you say
sure
sa na metima ka say oh ade ba kwa me kan say 2019 to 2020 me my prophecy say e wo hon me my prophecy say ade a me hu ni say won attack asofo
okay
asofo be fa jam asofo be fa tough time two media for benya challenge and it happens
yes nyapa
it happens rare this is not a fake prophecy
sure
it happens rare unim nyamia dadi bi ade a kire me be baba be kan later
okay
what do I say member be kan later nanu me ka say bia
2021
oh enye lesson
2022 na
hwa ye kan ye papa IGP awabai
eye dampare
or ye adwuma but so betimi akanya me anu atum no it will not work
on kanya me anu ntu
tie me some of the pastors happy say it has happened like that because na gezi shen komo kita paper o usu bempa ye papa usu bempa reverend usu bempa obema prophecy kita paper Sarifu the senior papa
yes
Sarifu or my prophecy kita papa Emma you see some of the pastors edubility Emma usu ben papa mountain say edu be kra Pentecost for a friend ye papa poku nyina friend and then am be ma won nyama bi sha ba e be ma wa kasa pains
Pentecost for about mountain abe
and then
disclaimer ba say enye no kore
but let me tell you anka Christo menu kwa say yes sir
adenti
because of ye can be at reform
ye
PJB COVID by on COVID by omo de ba say no convention no crusade and that but some of the church did crusade and convention
bi mu ye no through digitalization
me say
na bi mu so ye no kakra
obofo minim churches bi I don't want to mention name they did convention they did crusade they moved to churches omo kwa sorry
sir Ghana
me massive fear kra na bi wo ho then me can me too na matress you but one man some person me bodin bia wa ha but yen Nigeria some na aba no Ghana for men yet too excited to bring people down because at the end of the judgment they are not the judges to judge Nigeria.
Okay.
Say me ni masofo a ebi ware mi unu polygamy obi ware mi unu
odi for na why wadwen say wo person same show no
that means say we show
say uni masofo a ebi ware mi unu
na me ke wonte da
me pacho mente da
wonte da ene meba me wo pese me mebobodin ya meba
me hia obi adin bo
wo hia
enti sasa me pese wo jaika
okay ma twa san
better me da say abusafo asem no watwe asan ye to aso
na me kan say Naiji oyinipa
okay
enti at least si ehwe ne 40 a baby an 40 wa
okay
yenso nhwe ne papa kakra na yefo papa no correcting mistakes na think so oyinipa na on sheda nyin bibiri sa Naji was 37 me 26 October
okay
so I can say it say a comparison kra o check am say Naji be almost 10 years
sure
but you see me pega in life aya yen hwe papa bi ewo ni mu
the papa be no aya wo hu ewo ni mu a ma wo hwe ne life
obofo
papa
asasi so bia contribute Ghana obi a contribute
okay the tax no 20 na
o tax no tax say
eno tin woni je no ho
on employ workers here
eno tin woni je no ho
da bio it's age na
odi for
making
tax ni employment or ye ntin woni je no ho ana
oh it's a young guy and he's putting something on table
eno akeke
he's putting a feed or money peduane on table so
okay eno akeke
it manage that kind of people means we obi a manage obi a otimi e push bibi sa
okay
ena ma hu se nyame adwuma nani ji wode na koma na yeden ena eye but ade bia papa bia no bonwuma yeden
etare ho
enti ye menhwe bonwehwe ukun aponche a bonwuma yeden
entare ho
ukun akoko a etare ho ukun dabo yeden
etare ho
nam bia bekun yeden
etare ho
nantwikura yeden
etare ho
eboguma ntumi yeden
utumi nwe
ti entu abo asna bonwuma na etare na age ho yini kakra bi na be free ho
yebenya na papa
since the bia ye be condemn ye be lambanche no ye be try say ye be pulling it down ye be try say ye be hammer no and then obeja
so for me bisa
so ka chese na aja akobo adwaman a me pa cho sika be ba botum
Debbie but say
e be tua ba school fees
Debbie that say as a leader how you spiritual
oh obofo e be tua ba school fees
e tua me be school fees
e be tua light bay
ba me gidie na e be ma eso ate
oh Bible say
gidie so e bo eso change
the minimum say gidie bo so sin bibibia but I say eye wo gidie e wo ade a wo gidie na wo yeden wo som
yes
so wonyi bibi ni a nkosom
Debbie
it is obvious that gezi dia this is incidents is happening but still people are going there
yes
they believe in him not his fault awu gini di enye na no they don't need it what they need is can produce obetime produce
and o jim crofo so free o mama ni
thank you
anu na
ehia enti ni aka no ne oni nyankopon atemmu but we shouldn't condemn him
but say obi o che different you kwan so woni efra so dimi nchire obi e
eno ne ye nipa choices
wu nipa de ope
me hu se naiji kitapma esum na ni efra me kodi nachi unim so beto amene mu a is you
naiji no ni efra na sin na
da me na me kan se me say
me bu se wasem odi fo
na ni fry na ni da
naiji no ni efra
eye progress na me dey ma
so me bu sa say se also ye man of God o hwe from other angle odi fo naiji gezi na ni akata na ni
nkatae
na ni fry
na nye no ba amodi asema anya no kura beto no so aba wonte abakasa no name say when we have find a time and go to him and talk to him I think say there will be correction. What do you mean? I think say there will be correction. Obofo me no tie no officer my yard e bi na when you come to me
I'll tell you.
Yes, we move on.
Sure.
But say me no kwatan bontena me say wa me the wasted devil. But say pity. But say akoko did you man not from. There's a lot of people are abia Niger cry e hwe wo mo a on cancer public e ma bonten. So where the sana say baby of fat nya the sources nyina na say break it down. You have closed somebody gate. What to be getting to Ghanaians we should understand say oye ni patie onye sura abofo kra fi suru nyame smart o make fan information bra o mehu ma won ti man ko bi
o me fa ma sorry abusafo ye ne anu nsem aba bisi say eye odifo ati ase adu say ensem no aye bebre aye bubuja eti no e wo se ye hwe na aye de ensem no e ba na we because abofo no bi kra ba kra no say bi omo abedwem omo refi omo ade nti na omo besa
nipa
abofo ni nipa
sana honhom so akono
yes
sana honhom akono
na ahonhom mo so utua be ma na
oh na ko bi da mo bi ka so bi ni mabada
ene ka me pese ka me honhom na ne woda ka me wura obi anam I'm one for me room no much. You more monk me room no much. I attention TV. We did your for bike. But you would for question you would for last Wednesday sorry.
The last question is your tiasa atia bisa any agro.
Yes.
Niger onye wudi for. Onye onipa bia. Ya papa Japan yes ye mo akwaba. Ye ma utim kwan so say wo koyo operation buy no. Watimi aye agina fit but message say papa when you cross 60 the message say obetimi awo Niger.
Sure.
Say the bia. Niger so message give respect to the honorable Kennedy Japan. Ya papa say say the bia you have a such patient and invite Niger to home. Now taught him a wisdom, not a lesson, a wisdom.
Okay.
Nyansa mfiti ase eni nyamesuro. Nti sa o kan nyansa sam
onyankopon adoma chede ene dankwa.
Nti o kan wisdom ne kire no a wisdom ne kire na okwa obetase ne se nyansa yam no odi abe move ne bra.
Okay.
But say ye nyina mema de eye den ya fort ye nipa de eye den ya fort et say obi a wakate ne nua so akoya abortion enso na on the say me nya abortion da enso na wa hye condom ene oba da sebe na
ni hunsu anko ba no na wa room na odi akoto enso abortion
nipa waku omo no
nipa 1000
count na hwe sperm no e ko na ko eba
millions
emana
ni abortion ba o
enti
any abortion
obi a fort ye den
e wono
ho
so
but I think say when we collect ourselves ye tretre ho a even we be a sinto.
Sure.
Me na make say na ije so me mana be mu.
Sure.
Meti for di for kwasentwini me da for your God's Revelation Ministry no.
Sure.
Nyame ya tumo a eye brother be ene ye bi Bible. Kwasiara nzizi ya tene nyama kwasiara no 7:20 11:30 ni apon sorry. Na
7:20 to
11:30.
Okay.
7:20 to 11:30 ni apon sorry. Na odi for metima transe na mo nsi ne mai ne se wo hia me abraso ne tembe fa card o baba be hu sofo yima.
Okay.
Ene sofo dankwa.
Okay.
Nti wo hu omo a omo na be che process bia o be fa o ma be hu me. Na me ne wa transe na ye di nkomo so that afeni kwa wi ni asesem wale sanya ba bebre mu wonti me hu me direct sa.
Okay.
Even wo sene odu anti enche ye de na ma e be tudua o be fresh so.
Okay.
O be ja o contact o be ja o information then they write it down.
Okay.
Nti enu so ya yem frɛ wo.
Ayem frɛ.
Onyame ehwe bibia.
Abusafo odifo akwasi antwi Eric Bemma ba ene ne hwetwe komo no no ene da eye asori a yatu ne din God's Revelation Ministry or Agape William Street uduru a also pe odifo eye akwasi antwi asori wo ye difo anyankopon sa won so ankasa wo hwede wo sikasa he was talking out of passion ni nyina ne se wo se nyame adwuma no ye boa na esetimi egina bio na ye gi afoforo efri eye enkwasumu a obunsam enam nipa bi so ede wo mo ekọ oseye mu aha eya attention TV mi di robo for Michael Macron.